Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you are always fine, always healthy, and always happy. Welcome back with me, Sweeney. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray according to our respective religion and beliefs. Pray begin. Pray finish. Trinity, I will explain about degree of comparison. Have you ever heard about degree of comparison before? Or have you ever studied this material before? We will discuss about the material about degrees of comparison. Please pay close attention, and if you have any question, please ask.
Degrees of comparison. Table of contents. 1. Introduction, the meaning about positive degree. 2. Formula of positive degree and the example. 3. Introduction, the meaning about comparative degree. 4. Formula of comparative degree and the examples. 5. Introduction, the meaning about superlative degree. 6. Formula of superlative degree and the example. Introduction. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is a type of comparison that is used to compare something with another by using adjective for comparison. 1. Positive degree. Positive degree is an adjective used to express a level that is ordinary or simple, or the same thing. Formula of positive degree: S plus adjective plus S. Examples of positive degree. 1. Tall. Sophia is as tall as Kenzo. 2. Beautiful. Elsa is as beautiful as Anna. 3. Smart. David is as smart as Kevin. 2. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is comparing two or more objects which aim to state the superiority of one object compared to other objects. Therefore, it has the meaning of more. Formula of comparative degree divided into two. 1. Adjective plus er plus than. 2. More plus adjective plus than. Note: adjective plus er plus than. The formula above is used for adjectives that have only one syllable. 1. If the word doesn't end in a, you must add er at the end. Example: long, longer, old, older, tall, taller. 2. If the word ends in a, then simply add r at the end. Example: large, larger, wide, wider, brave, braver. 3. If it ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, then the consonant is doubled, then added er at the end. Example: big, bigger, fat, fatter, hot, hotter. Note: more plus adjective plus than. 1. The formula above is used for adjectives that only have more than one syllable by adding the prefix more. Example: childish, more childish, dangerous, more dangerous, honest, more honest, handsome, more handsome. Examples of comparative degree one syllable. 1. Tall. Miko is taller than Alisa. 2. Small. Anne is smaller than 11. Old. Miss Anne is older than Charlie. Examples of comparative degree two syllable. 1. Delicious. Milkshake is more delicious than smoothie. 2. Expensive. Pizza is more expensive than spaghetti. 3. Diligent. Alice is more diligent than Arthur. 3. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is comparing two or more objects which aim to state the superiority of one object compared to several other objects. Therefore, it has the meaning of most. Formula of superlative degree divided into two. 1. The adjective plus est. 2. The most plus adjective. Note the adjective plus est. The formula above is used for adjectives that have only one syllable by adding est to the end of the word. Example: small, smallest; rich, richest; great, greatest. 1. If it ends in a, it is enough to add st at the end of the word. Example: large, largest; brave, bravest; light, latest. Note the most plus adjective. The formula above is used for adjectives that only have more than one syllable by adding the prefix most. Example: recent, most recent; urgent, most urgent; useful, most useful. 1. If it ends in a, just add st at the end of the word. Example: humble, humblest; noble, noblest; simple, simplest. Examples of superlative degree one syllable. 1. Tall. Bella is the tallest in my family. 2. Slow. Snail is the slowest animal in the world. 3. Fast. Cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Examples of superlative degree 2 syllable. 1. Expensive. Gucci bag is the most expensive in the shop. 2. Interesting. Disneyland Paris is the most interesting place in Paris. 3. Delicious. Rendang is the most delicious food in Indonesia.